I'm a convicted felon. Can I legally own a gun in Florida? I'm Danny Izquierdo of the Izquierdo Law Firm. And like most good legal questions, the answer to that question is it depends. Once you are convicted of a felony, hence you are now known as a convicted felon in Florida, you will lose certain rights, among them the right to vote and the right to own a gun. However, there is a process, an application of sorts in Florida by which somebody who has been convicted of a felony may be able to apply in order to have their gun rights restored. This is a multi-step process. Obviously, an experienced criminal defense attorney should be the one looking into your prior arrest, all the details of that case that resulted in a conviction to determine whether you are eligible to apply and have your gun rights restored. If you were convicted of a felony in Florida and you would like to own a firearm or a gun, once again, reach out to us. We'll pull your case information. We'll take a look and see if you qualify, and then we can help you apply for the gun rights restoration with the state of Florida.